Hello. Okay, since you asked, I will happily share. Yes, Teams is an app you can install on your computer, and of course, it will have your teams. These happen to be my classroom teams, and I'll talk to you about that in a minute. You can chat with students, you can make assignments, and I'm not going to go into assignments now. That's something I can go into, but it has reading and speech assignments where the AI inside of Teams will actually assess student reading and assess student speaking capabilities. But you can learn more about that at the AI conference that's coming up. It also is our phone. When Valencia went to Voice over Internet Protocol, or VoIP phone system, Teams became our phone. So all of the phone calls that come into your regular phone number come in here, and you can use your computer as your phone, or you can use your smartphone as your phone. Okay, so what we're looking at here is my phone, and if I click on the Teams app in my phone, it will actually open up Teams. And what you'll notice is I have the activity bar, I have the ability to chat, instant message with students, I have my classroom teams, these are all the classes that I have. I can again run my assignments through here, or go over and actually use my phone. Again, this is my phone line, the phone that I use to make phone calls at the college. I can use it through Teams. I could use my own personal phone as my Teams phone or my Valencia phone, and I can get and receive calls and give calls from this number right from my cell phone. Some other things that people don't often realize about Teams is that it interfaces directly with your Canvas courses. For example, if you log into your Canvas courses and you go into the settings, you can go over to something called integrations and turn on Teams. And what that will do is that will automatically take the students that are on your roster in your class and create a unique team with all of those people in it. And then your students can download the Teams app and log in with their Valencia IDs, and they have the ability to instant message you directly through Teams. They can call you directly through Teams. They can video conference with you directly through Teams. And it's all interconnected. Now, another thing people aren't aware of is that you don't actually have to install the app on your phone or your computer. Because this is all in the cloud, it's Voice over Internet Protocol, that means that it's on the internet. And so if you log into Atlas and you go to Office 365, guess what that opens up? Well, one of the apps in Office 365 is Teams, which means that Teams, and again, they're all my classes that I set up by simply going in and turning on that feature. It actually created my college classes for me so that I can go in and have students write in those classes, and they can use this as a tool to communicate with each other or to communicate with me through Teams. And I can go to any computer anywhere in the world and log into Atlas and then click on Teams, and it'll pull this up, and I can be instant messaging with Teams without installing anything. And so for people who aren't using this as their communication portal, they can. And of course, the phone's right there, so you can make calls right from Teams. And so just thought you'd like to know. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help with these kind of tech things.